Pulis ka na ba or PNP applicants, pag NAPOLCOM entrance examination passer ang gamit mo dito sa Philippine National Police, ang video na ito ay para sa iyo. Pag NAPOLCOM ang gamit mong eligibility, pag magpapapromote ka, ay kinakailangan mong mag-take ng NAPOLCOM PO 4th class up to PO 1st class as your eligibility to be promoted. I encourage you sa lahat ng PNP applicants or even nasa service na to take civil service examination professional level kasi po maraming benefits ito. Pag civil service professional ka na, hindi mo na kailangan ang mag-exam pa or mag-renew ng license mo kung board passer ka at magagamit mo ito hanggang PCO or Police Commission Officer as your eligibility. Pero kung registered criminologist ka na or even professional ka na mayroong lisensya, hindi mo na kailangan ito. Depende na lang sa iyo kung magtitake ka ng civil service exam. Kasi po, once again, hindi mo na kailangan mag-renew pa ng license mo. Ito rin ang ginagawa ng mga graduates sa academy na kinakailangan nilang makapasa ng civil service examination professional level kahit na may academy eligible na sila. Pero bakit kaya? Para po yan sa validation of education nila, special eligibility, or kung tinatawag nating license nila as public servant. Kaya po I encourage everyone to take civil service examination professional level para po sa career development. Meron kang natutunan, don't forget to follow and share for more learnings. Thank you.